Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. My name is Ariel and today is day 11 of my 25 days of Christmas playlist, and today I'm going to be making another tree color, this time out of a thrifted lampshade. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a part of my 25 days of Christmas playlist. I will have the playlist linked below, but I'm starting out with this thrifted lampshade. Now, I cannot take full credit for this, but I did see this idea on TikTok. However, the woman on TikTok said that you could cut these parts in the middle of the top with a regular handsaw, and I tried that and I figured out very quickly that would take a million years to do. Luckily, I do own a grinder and I was able to chop out those middle sections with my grinder very easily. If you don't have a grinder, if you get ones with thinner wire in the middle at the top, you probably could bend the wire enough that it would break. Or also, if you have a Harbor Freight tools near you, I'm not sponsored, but they sell cut-off tools for as low as $20. So you can get one of those and chop off the middle pieces. But definitely don't do it with a handsaw because you will be there sawing it until next Christmas. I also want to mention, after you saw off or break off those metal pieces in the middle, you do want to sand the edge to make sure that you don't cut yourself. Now, there are many ways that you can wrap this once you get to this point, but I'm using this printed paintable wallpaper. It's like an embossed wallpaper, and I just had this laying around, so it didn't cost me anything extra to add this on. And if you don't have anything like this laying around, to keep the cost down, I do recommend using an old sweater, an old throw blanket, an old sheet. Any sort of fabric that you might have laying around will be perfect for this project. Anything that would match your decor. I spray painted mine gold to match the rest of my Christmas decor. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and please comment below. Let me know what you guys would wrap this with if you guys were going to recreate this. And please consider subscribing. I'm trying to get to 300, so please help me out. And be sure to check out the 25 Days of Christmas playlist. I'll have that linked. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season.